It's Adam, and today we're going to talk about JBL, Infinity, and quite specifically, Arena X. These speakers came to us yesterday, and I'm unboxing this in real time. As you can see, this box is completely sealed, 100% sealed. There's no faking whatever. We're doing this together, so I'm fucking excited. I am so excited. I went to the Master Attack Expo. I saw Son Spedding from JBL. We had a big, long conversation. I said, hey man, I'm really interested in the Arena X. My cameraman sucks. Anyway, I'm really interested in the Arena X. He said, dude, I'll send you some to check out. So here we are. We're doing this together. I am fucking excited. So I do know a few features about these things that I will talk about while I open it. Well, after I open it. So as you can see, we're gonna see what the retail packing is because I haven't seen that yet at all. Ooh, Mike, take a look. I'm out of breath from that little John's literally over here. That's so fucking bad. That's how old I am. So this is the box for the Arena X. Look at that. That just looks, doesn't that look kind of cool? Kind of cool. Thank you to Sean Spedding for letting us try these guys out. I am fucking more than happy to do this video. I'm not for this box. So. Now, we have friends in this industry, guys by the name Dean Bayette and his, he's actually Mexican, so I can say his Mexican friends. Fernando, they do unboxings like we do unboxings as well. Oh, this is upside down. We're about to fucking spill it all over the place. I'm so excited, like, so excited. This is the active set. So, yeah, look at that. Tweeter with a wave guide on it. Ooh, look at this. All right, congratulations. You have just purchased Arena X 75 years in the making. So this is an anniversary set speaker, it looks like. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. Oh my God. You ready? You ready? You ready? Oh, look at this. Goes into more detail about what's going on in here. Do you know what that is? That is beryllium.
Beryllium, of course.
Beryllium. Beryllium. Beryllium, element 4 on the periodic chart, is a rare earth metal that is renowned for its remarkable physical properties that make it the ideal material for high fidelity transducer. Transducer, if you don't know, is a fancy word for fucking speaker. Just saying. Just telling you what it is, okay? Just telling you what it is. Troll. Anyway, wow. Look at these things, man. Look at these things. Carbon fiber. Oh my God.
You should have put lotion on.
I should have put lotion on. I might need lotion later though. Look at this thing. Carbon fiber cone. Carbon fiber dust cap.
That's super nice.
Yeah, super lightweight, super cool looking. I don't know if Mike, you can get in there. You can see the magnet. Yeah. One thing I like is they do have these super cool terminal. I don't want to say terminal cups, but terminals. And they didn't use some funky like thing. They use a regular Phillips. Thank you, JBL. Yes. So there's one feature I wanted to kind of show you guys, which is really fucking cool. The way these speakers mount with their grill is magnetic. So this is magnetic too. You see that?
Ooh.
Magnetic. That's super fucking cool.
That's satisfying.
So it's satisfying as hell, and you can see the mesh design on the actual grill itself is super fucking badass. It just looks great. Looks awesome. Looks awesome. Now we're going to talk about the 3-inch. Again, it has the same magnetic, and this is I don't know if you can see that this is I'm gonna try. I'm trying this for the first time, so guys, if I fail, oh, I didn't fail. I didn't dent it, but I'm telling you, I had to do that with quite some force. I didn't dent it, thank God. Thank God. I would hate to ask Sean, but hey man, can I get a new tweeter, a new 3-inch grill? And this is a tweeter, beryllium tweeter with its waveguide. I'm gonna be honest. I am not sure how much of the waveguide what direction it would need to be to do what it's designed to do. There is a motherfucking person. Just look at him back there, fucking around. We're trying to be serious here. Do serious work.
Only serious.
Yes, serious work. So, all right.
Whoa, get the front door.
So, we're gonna keep going in this box unboxing.
Oh, level 2.
Level 2. It's just the other side of the level. This is the active kit. There is a passive kit. Oh, everything is so nicely laid out. Sorry. So we're gonna let Dean borrow this after so they can do some more extensive stuff. I'm going to have a YouTube series dedicated to the build of the car that these are going in.
Don't forget the lotion.
This is the manual. This is the manual here. So as you can see, it's already won a few awards. It's high-res certified. It's got the beryllium table of contents thing. Elemental table. Right. Yeah, just in case. You know. All right, so let's go one step further. We don't know what's below all this. Like, they could just have like some crazy, I don't know, little robot down there that installs all of it for us, right? Let's just see. Oh, hardware. Let's
Much needed.
see what they have as far as hardware. Let's see. We have, looks like mounting straps for the tweeter. There's a couple of those. There is some foam tape. This is probably for the mid base, I would guess. We have what looks like, let's see what we get here. It's a flush panel for this. This is cool because there are going to be fabricators out there that are going to want to do different stuff with this stuff. And they're going to need a way to, transition this without using the actual tweeter itself and running a router around it, or mudding it up and then building a thing. So kudos to those guys for actually making a template for this. That's what I assume this is for. That's what I would use it for. So you can flush mount this puppy, and looks like they gave you some vinyl gap or some gap for some materials. That's what I think it's for, and that's what it's for. So that's what we're gonna say. That's what we're gonna say it's for. So that's it for this part of JBL experience that we'll be going through with this set of speakers. Let me put everything back because, like I said, I'm gonna let Dean borrow this so he can, like I said, take it a step further and show off. Which way was this? What's this way? Show off all the badassery of this kit. This was. I'm fucking confused. Okay.
That goes on top.
All right. So this doesn't go here. This goes right here. This goes right here. Right? This, because I can see the step.
There you go. Step is
goes right here. Like this. This goes right. This is the unboxing, reboxing part of our video.
Tetris.
Yeah, the Tetris part of our video. Where the fuck did this go? Did this go here?
You gotta flip that.
No, I don't think it. Oh, that makes sense. We had our band. I want those guys to have a similar experience that we had. So let's try to put all of this back together. Oh, they're not gonna get the experience of that. They're not gonna get that. They're gonna get this. All right, so off to Florida these guys will go, where Dean will go a little bit further with them and show off all the cool features, and probably listen to them before I do. But I did have an opportunity to listen to them. They are phenomenal. I like them a lot. And like I said, they're going to go into the competition car that we're building, Civic that we're building. It's a couple months away. It's in paint right now, but after it comes back from paint, these are gonna go in the car, and then, you know, we'll document all that in video. Anyway, it's Adam from Absolute Electronix signing off. See y'all motherfuckers later.